I just got back to my unit with another really nice auction purchase, 135,000 mile Transit Connect. I'll just show a few bits and pieces at the moment as I'm still removing the vehicle livery, previous company livery. So yeah, same again as the one I've done about a month and a half ago. A sort of day van camper build in the rear with bed and sort of basic camping equipment. Just a quick look around this now. It's literally as I've driven the vehicle back. I thought that was a rip in the seat, but it's not. It's a bit of muck that'll come out. So yeah, no wear in the seats. Nice interior, really good. It literally just needs a damn good clean. It's got the Ford mats in it. They're good. I think I paid £40 for the set in the previous vehicle. Yep, no issues there apart from cleaning. And in the back, same again. This bulkhead completely out. Something across there to finish it off. The roof again, pine clad. There'll be a window fixed driver side, window fixed passenger side, vinyl floor. Obviously all of this out, that's going to be in this video. Scrape on the side door there, it's not a problem. It's going to be cut out. There'll be glass there. And in the back, I think I'll extend this floor out to here and round. Take this out, all of this, keep this. I think I might keep that racking myself for in the unit. Purchase with a ding in the corner there, nice easy repair. And windows in the back, which is a good job because they're under time constraints, money, whatever, but the auction companies take off the previous livery, and I don't know what they do it with, but yeah, there's areas on this van I've got to paint, but I'm painting the rear door anyway. A bit annoying, but yeah, it's just a bit of paint. Same again, crazy. All you need is a hot air gun, just a razor, just to start it off, peel it back. It actually takes away most of the glue as well, so this will be tar and glue remover. Mop it all back. If there's anywhere that I need to paint, the whole panel will be painted. The wheels need doing, they're all sound, no rust, so I'll take all those back, and I think I'll do those a dark grey against the black van. So while I'm waiting for everything to come through, it should be tomorrow, the 29th of August, picked it up yesterday. So I ordered everything for it last night, so hopefully a nice quick build. Service history with it, it's about 5 or 6 stamps in the book and serviced about 2 months ago. But I'll do the oil and the oil filter, just a due course thing. So yeah, start with this. So back onto the Connect. In this video, I've been out this morning, got a sheet of 8x4 ply. I'm going to go off the old floor, which is stacked against the van there. Cut a new floor for the back. I'll actually finish there, the old one. I'll come right to the back here and put an edge on the back like I did before. Previous video, I've done one of these before. And cut out for this step here, finishing it on the front. Angle edge there, and exactly the same as what I did with the previous long wheelbase Connect about a month ago. The the pine clad roof. Got 3 packs of that to put on the roof, hopefully in this video. So yeah, it will be the floor, the cladding, pine clad off here. That'll go back on as it is with insulation behind, roof insulated. Cut out there for the window that's going to go there. Cut out there for the window there. I'll actually cut them out today. I'm not using this van at the moment. Same with this. That needs a bit of a repair. That panel back on, carpeted. These rear windows will be cut out, and then I would say on the next video I'll tackle the carpeting. So I'll do just those jobs today, and possibly, if I've got time, get the seats out ready to clean and clean the cab up. And the T4 I've done, need to give this a good clean from when it was sprayed and work out the units on that, but that'll be a separate video, part 6 of the T4 build. So get the floor down on this. So that's the floor down. Managed to do it with one sheet and a little bit of the old one there. So next, off with the ply here. I've taken the side one off there, all these off, and then I think while it's in that state I'll cut all of the window sections out there with the metal nibbler. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The floor I'll leave as is for now until I finish the carpeting, make sure everything's good. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare having to lift the floor back up. Once I'm happy with what I've put in the van, then I'll secure the floor down. So the usual with the windows, follow the manufacturer's edge, normally on a sort of just before a corner, do a hole big enough for the metal nibbler I've got attachment which goes on the drill through the hole, and then just follow around the contour of the manufacturer's inner edge there, and the same on both of the side windows, well, when I've got that off. So that's the hole done, and these basically work by, I always use there's one in there fixed, so I'll screw that on there, or you can, if you want the fixed end, you can put that handle on here, but I use the rotating edge so I can move the drill about as I'm cutting out. I've done quite a few videos on cutting windows out, so I'm going to crack on with this one. And basically the metal goes into that there. You've got a sort of nibbling action against the steel edge. See there, that just follows the inner edge contour. There you go. It gives a really nice, neat finish. You can see there where it's cutting it out. When I'm rubbing my finger across the top of that, that's how smooth. Just superb, doesn't distort the metal. And if you need to pinch these together, these sections, you can, but on this there's a T-trim I get off the supplier Paul in Corby, and that fits on there neat. But now it gives me the option of carpeting up to the windows, T-trim on. I'll put carpeting up to the edge trim on, and put the windows on after. So 3 more to go. That's the back out. With these long wheelbase connects, you get a bit of an offset with this glass to the right hand side, but they still fit and join in the middle here. It's purely based on the thickness of this door pillow. That's purely based on the thickness of the driver's side door pillow. So I'll add a quick picture in now of from a previous video of what these are like with glass in the back. Rear tinted, limo tinted windows. Onto the side window now, just marking the follow on, scoring that there, because this centre section will need cutting out. and again there I'll take that out with an angle grinder and then repeat what I've done on the back windows. That's the side window, driver's side cutout. So with the windows out, just doing a bit of insulation, double-sided silver bubble, just roof the main thing, and the obvious places. If you're sleeping there, you're going to need a bit of insulation there. Put a bit of recycled bottle cap on top of that when the silver's on. Again, the floor just in place for now, that'll be screwed down shortly. So I need to finish this video here. The next will be, I'll take the seats out, wash the seats, clean the cab, all of the carpeting and the pine clad roofing. That'll be in the next video. Yep, that's going to be a day's work, which I'll be starting that tomorrow. So the day after this video, there'll be another one on this van uploaded. So thanks for getting this far and watching the video. There'll be more of these day vans to follow, and campers. I'm kind of going back into that. The odd low mileage car here and there. And the plan is with these is to going to move over towards putting beds, a pine pull-out bed with a back similar to what I did in a T4, which is about 5-6 videos back. The lift over bed, which hopefully I can get into a double. So finish here, go over, try and get it into a double here, and then have a kitchen pod here. Basic, nothing fancy. Maybe a leisure battery, solar panel, sink. So you've got the the basics, and then the cooker that pulls out maybe, or sits on the top next to the sink. Just working through ideas now, the speed of build. But the more of these vans I can get and the caddies, the better. I think that's where the market's going at the moment. So till next time, cheers.